Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Ashley and we're continuing with our quick and easy Christmas treats. Today we're making Swiss roll reindeer. So you'll need Swiss rolls, some type of stick. I like to use these really fun straws. These are paper straws. I do not believe in plastic straws. Red M&Ms, mini pretzels, eyeballs or white and black buttercream to create your own eyeballs, and then something to glue it with. I'm using melted chocolate. So you're going to take your stick, and then you're going to stick it into the Swiss roll pretty far in, just don't pop it out the top. I like how these look because it's like a really long stick. Okay, I just think it just makes it look like such a more fun lollipop. Now the next part you have to be really gentle with. So you're going to, gentle, yep, roll in a china shop. So you're going to stick these into the top, and then you're just going to gently break the chocolate at the top, but you don't want to break the chocolate on the face. So just ever so slightly press that in, and it's going to create that break, and then you're going to glue these on. So you should know where to press it because you'll have like a little residue from the chocolate. And then you're just going to press that back into that hole you created. And the same thing on this one. Okay. And then press that into the hole. Like that. And then you'll need your eyeballs and your nose. So M side down for your nose, put a little bit of chocolate on it, glue it kind of like right in the center, and then 2 eyeballs right above it. Now when you stick these eyeballs on, because this Swiss roll is kind of rounded, just kind of make sure they don't slide off. You might have to hold them a couple seconds so your chocolate like cools a little bit and hardens. So hold them on there. Going to give us a couple seconds here, and I'm going to pick them up and hope his eyeballs stay on. Aren't they so adorable and so quick? And they're kind of different because they're Swiss rolls, so you don't usually get something like that on a cookie tray. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe below. We're going to be doing these up until Christmas. Bye guys!